So we made it to AOAA and we want to test our new ram. We put two new Radial Dynamic PSC rams front and rear, new Brannick shafts in it in the front instead of RCVs, and want to give it a thorough shakedown before the ribbon cutting ceremony for Mammoth, and then we have to load it up so it goes out west in the transport. This is another buggy that needs to get shaken down. The 4x4 Place built a Marked Motorsports Great chassis, Jesse Haynes portals, Honda motor, Turbo 350, Atlas, and this is also going out west with us. Here's a prime example. There's not a lot of V-notches in the east that we can actually wheel because of traction. So we make the best of it, and we find a rock next to a tree that gives a lot of challenge to get through. This is the buggy line on the entrance to SOB at Anthracite Outdoor Adventure Park in Pennsylvania. This is the 4x4 Place Shop JK. It's on Super Duty axles, 40-inch tires. So the next video to drop will actually be the AOAA Mammoth Trail Ribbon Cutting ceremony. It will be a very interesting video. Thanks for watching. As always, like and share, drop a comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.